Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to download and install the TikTok app on our phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to download and install the TikTok app on phone, first open up the Play Store on your phone. And from over here guys, at the top of the screen you can see the search bar. Tap on that search bar and we'll be required to search for TikTok. And let's search for it. And over here guys, you can see the TikTok app at the top of the screen. Tap on it and you will be able to install it by just tapping on the install button over here. And let's wait for it guys. It will be installed in a moment depending upon the net speed. And it's installing guys. And there guys, the TikTok has been installed on our phone. Let's open it, and from over here you'll be able to log into your TikTok account and use your TikTok app. And guys, this is how to download and TikTok on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.